channel once again. My name is Griffith Samponsa, and in today's Excel work, we are going to solve this WASSCE question, which is 2012 WASSCE question. This is actually an EMAS question, and then it's also a statistics question. The question says the monthly contributions of a certain product in a factory in a year is 86, 80, 75, 78, 86, 111, 79, 89, 90, 79, 95, and 89 kilograms. Using an assumed mean of 86, calculate correct to one decimal place the standard deviation of the distribution. So this is a simple question. So over here, we have our table containing the monthly product, our tally, our frequency, our deviation, FD, and then the FD square. And then these are the numbers that we were given over here, 86, 80, 75, and then so forth. So over here, as usual, we are going to get it sorted, and then we are supposed to find the individual value. So over here in our monthly products, we're going to use the sort to arrange them, and then the unique to get the individual value. So equal to sort, and then I'll use a unique. Then over here, I'm going to select these ones, and then I'll close them, and I'll press enter. So we have 75, 78, 79, and so forth. With my tally, I'm going to actually use the rept function, so REPT. And then over here, the test that I need to repeat is actually this one here. And then the number of times that I need to repeat it, I'm going to use the count if over here to check the number of times these values occur, then it will multiply it by the tally. So over here, I'm going to select this range here, and then I'll say comma. Then my criteria is actually this one here. Then I will Control Shift down so that I can select all of them, and then I'll close it over here, and then close it one more time. And then when I press enter, you can see that our tally is given here nicely. Alright, so with our frequency here, we can use the count if to get it here, so equal to count if. And then the count range is actually this one here, comma, and then the criteria is actually these ones here, and then I can close it. Alright, so with our deviation, we know that our assumed mean is giving us 86. So over here, we need to get our 86 in here. And then we are going to use the formula, which is equal to this particular product minus the assumed mean over here. And there you go. Okay, so with our FD here, we just need to multiply the deviation here by the frequency, and then we get the results here. Very well. Alright, so with our FD square as well, we just need to multiply the FD by the D one more time, and then we get our results. So now that we've been able to draw our table now, please consider subscribing as we keep on solving WASSCE questions with Excel and different languages like Python, C++, C#, and many more, including Java and even JavaScript. So consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Okay, so before we solve for our standard deviation, we need to get the sigma FD square, our sigma FD, and also our sigma F. I'm going to select this one, hold Control, select this one here, and select this one here, and hold Alt equals. And then automatically, we can have these, which is summing all the values from the various cells in here. When I actually select this one and I press F2 here, notice that it is summing this particular one here. And then same for this one, F2, it is also summing these ones here. Okay. Alright, so with our standard deviation here, just as the formula is seen over here, we are going to use the round function since the question says correct to one decimal place, so equal to round. And then I'm going to use the SQRT, which stands there for square root. And with my first indication here to be this sigma FD square divided by our sigma F here, I'll close it, minus bracket open, our sigma FD here divided by our sigma F here, I'll close it here, and then to the power 2 here, I'll close it here, and then comma. So the number of times I want to round this would be 1, since the question says one decimal place, and I can close it and then press enter. Alright, so we now have our standard deviation given as 9.4. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your exams. This is what during 2012 we were expecting the students to do during their examination. Thank you.